We have a high medical level here.
And yet,
we still don't have our vaccine.
New frustrations tonight over a rocky rollout of the state's vaccine doses. Good evening, I'm Paul Cicchini.
And I'm Jennifer Roscoe. The governor gave state lawmakers the green light to get their first dose of the vaccine today. Meanwhile, medically fragile patients on breathing tubes are still waiting for their first dose. Our Capitol Bureau Chief Mark Maxwell live in Champaign at a vaccination site. And Mark, the lack of supply, it's creating confusion and frustration over who gets to go first.
Jennifer, and Senator Chapin Rose told me today that decision allowing politicians to go first was absolutely ridiculous. But there are some bright spots. The Champaign Eye Hotel here, for example, more than 1,000 people. They're cranking out doses every day here, and people who went in and out said it was a very smooth process here. But it's people with those serious medical concerns who still are waiting. They're stuck waiting on their very first doses that expressed the most frustration with this rocky rollout.
You just parked, rolled up, and then they called you in, asked you a few questions, made you wait in line, but it was pretty seamless.
Bridget Dewey was one of 1,000 people to get her first shot in the arm Wednesday at Champaign's Eye Hotel.
It's a very effective model. The sign up through the online portal, if people have that access, is very simple and easy.
Claudia Lenhoff's Champaign County Healthcare Consumers helps people register and get in line for their vaccine. But the rollout isn't this smooth everywhere.
There have been a lot of problems with the long-term care rollout.
After a bottleneck, the state announced it would take 97,000 doses back from pharmacies vaccinating long-term care residents in Phase 1A and move those doses back to Phase 1B.
There's been a reallocation out of that to make sure that we can get as many vaccines into the arms of as many people as possible. We can run as many people as possible through this amazing facility and vaccinate as many as may want it. Unfortunately, it's still not going to be enough.
I would think that they would give us the vaccines that they're pulling back.
Kim Halberstadt runs the Swan Special Care Center, a long-term care facility where more than 100 patients still wait on their first dose. She reacted to Governor Pritzker's decision to move politicians up in line to get their vaccines now.
Well, it's very disappointing. You know, we've got the most medically fragile population, and we're still not done. So I'm just very disappointed in the rollout on this.
I'm waiting my turn. I think it's important for many of us to set an example in that way. Many legislators asked if they could be vaccinated, but we need the state of Illinois and its legislature and its government to function.
Several prominent lawmakers say they will not jump ahead in line. Others will. Those requests coming into the governor's office. Illinois, though, ranks near the bottom nationwide at vaccinating a percentage of its population even still. But we are picking up the pace in recent days. Yesterday, the state recording a record daily total of 65,000 vaccinations in one day. Vermilion County, though, lagging way behind, still in the bottom 10 of counties statewide in vaccinating the population there. Reporting in Champaign, Mark Maxwell, WCIA 3, your local news leader.
Everybody hoping we can pick up the pace. Mark, thank you so much.